Okay, question 2. In which branch of statistics would a researcher acquire 25 2000 Toyota Celicas, drive them until they had a mechanical failure, record the mileage, and then write a report for Car and Driver magazine? So the two major branches of statistics that we study in this course would be descriptive and inferential. Okay, so the descriptive branch of statistics is it's really just describing what's happening or what has happened, right? Formally, if we would define that formally, it's the collection, organization, right? You have to collect the data, organize it. Well, I should probably say organization. Okay, let's do better. Collection, organization. You summarize the data, summarization, and presentation. Essentially, telling me what has happened or what is happening, right? I collect the data, organize it, summarize it, and present it. That's descriptive statistics. Now, inferential is I'm taking the data and I'm doing more with it, right? I'm making a claim, I'm estimating, comparing two sets of data. Formally, let's say generalizing from sample to population. Right, so I'm gathering data from a sample, and based on that data that I gather, that I analyze, I make a generalization to what's happening in the population. Performing estimations, and hypothesis tests, which we'll talk about at great length later on in the semester. Determining relationships among your variables. Oops, that's not how you spell determining. Determining relationships and making some predictions about what is going to happen and the probability associated with those predictions. So inferential statistics, you see, you're doing a lot more forward thinking, right? Generalizing, performing estimations, hypothesis tests, determining relationships, making predictions. So you're doing more with that data, whereas descriptive statistics, you're just telling, hey, this is what it is. So in this situation, the researcher acquired the Celicas, drove them until they had a major mechanical failure, recorded the mileage, and then wrote a report. That sounds pretty descriptive to me. Collected, organized, summarized, and presented. Classic.